Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And it is with great honor that I present this idea about association between stroke and respiratory-related mortality in the 26th World Congress of Neurology held in Montreal, Canada. So let's go ahead and get started here. Where I like to always start is looking at this diagram here. Now, usually, those of you that know me, there's usually a third modifying variable over here. However, what we're looking for here is that if stroke is causing respiratory-related mortality. Now, I can use the word causing with caution because this is a Cox regression, complex samples Cox regression that is usually held longitudinally. So I wanted to also go into the findings here. Some of the other diagrams may be familiar to you if you're listening to these in a series. So taking a look at this, some of the diagram here, and let me go ahead and kind of zoom in on this. And taking a look at this, the unadjusted hazard ratio is about 7 times higher between stroke and respiratory-related mortality. However, this is crude unadjusted. When you actually adjust this, stroke actually causes respiratory-related mortality almost the same. One is 7 times, and then the other one is a little over 7. So whether it was crude or adjusted, stroke was related to cardiovascular mortality. Now, this diagram I thought was really informative because this is looking into stroke and how this might cause and how this might affect the kidneys, the heart, and the lungs. And this is in the lungs. So pneumonia, ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, neurogenic pulmonary edema. These are all things that are caused by stroke, according to this study. So the study, again, going into kind of the details, the study was conducted from 1999 to 2010 on the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, following up through December 31, 2019. So tying this back to social determinants of health, some of the neurobiological factors actually that are connected to vulnerable population and poverty may lead to respiratory-related mortality. So the key is to understand some of the upstream factors that need improvement, and by doing so, preventing some of these biological endpoints, such as respiratory-related mortality. I hope this has made sense. Thank you for listening.